Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I will be trying some British food. So if you know me, you know that I love food and food is a crucial part in my life. So join me to see if I actually like British food because some of these foods are quite interesting. So let's see it. So the first thing that I'm going to try is Java cakes, which is a light sponge wrapped in a layer of dark chocolate and that tangy orangey bit in the middle. So it's chocolate and orange basically. I mean, not gonna lie, I don't know how I feel about this. Oh, 97 calories per bar. You know, I might like it, so let's try. I've never had something like this before. So my friend recommended me to try this thing. Some of them love it, and I know some of them, they hate it. So quite curious to see if I'm going to like this or not. So let's try it. So this one is shaped in like a bar. So it's really easy to eat. It's very unique. It's like a good mix. I like that it's not too sweet because there's a bit of that tanginess from the orange, but chocolate kind of fit in well as well. So it's not too bad, but would I eat it again? I don't know. But anyway, that's Java cakes. So the next thing that I'm going to try is the famous full English breakfast. So it consists of bacon, fried egg, sausage, mushrooms, baked beans, toast, and supposedly grilled tomatoes, but I don't have them on my plate because I hate tomatoes. So when I first tried English breakfast, it really blew my mind. I really love English breakfast because it was really complete. You know, you got almost everything in one plate, and it's really filling as well. Pretty sure like one person could fill me until good 6 hours. And yeah, I also tried different English breakfasts from different cafe, and they all kind of taste similar, which is a good thing because I think it's really good, and you should definitely try it. I'd recommend this. So I got this breakfast at Wetherspoon, but you can also try it anywhere because I think no matter where you go, you can't go wrong with English breakfast. 10 out of 10 would eat again, definitely. So let's try these pastries that I bought at Pound Bakery. So I'm really quite interested. So let's see. Yeah, I mean, I don't know what to say, but yeah, that's actually quite good. I like it. There's a lot of different stuff inside, which I believe is beef, potato, carrot. Actually quite nice. Yeah, but a bit oily, but enjoy. I think it's good if you need a quick lunch and you just grab one of these. So yeah, it's very convenient, very good as well. And next we're going to try sausage roll. So I mean, I've actually tried it before and actually love Greggs so much, and I love sausage roll, but definitely going to try it again because why not? It's just an excuse for me to eat sausage roll, but you know, it's really good. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. You definitely can't go wrong with sausage roll. It's easy to eat, it's cheap, and it's amazing. It tastes 10 out of 10, definitely. This is definitely one of those British snacks that I really love since day one. I was a bit skeptical at first when I tried it, but it turns out to be amazing. So, guys definitely should try this as well if you haven't tried it. Or if you live in the UK, then you know what to do. Run to your nearest Greggs. So last but not least is the infamous fish and chips. So for this one, I decided to bring my friends along because they all love fish and chips. So I figured out why not having them eat with me instead of eating alone. So we went to Wetherspoon and we ordered fish and chips. And at first we didn't really have a lot of expectations, but it turned out to be really good, even though my face says otherwise. But I actually really enjoy it, and for the price, I would definitely go back. And yeah, I think it's really good, especially with tartar sauce. It's really amazing. It kind of complements each other. The chips is amazing. The lemon gave a bit of zestiness in the fish, and yeah, overall it was definitely good. It's kind of different with fish and chips that I had before back home, but this one is definitely good and authentic, I would say. So yeah, try fish and chips if you haven't.
You know, imagine people enjoying this with just salt and vinegar. I know you're a local scout yourself, you're a purist. I'm trying to respect your background.
You can respect it by taking your time.
I'm sorry, but Joe, look at the consequences of today's action. Look at this pile
Of waste.
of
Waste.
resources. Resources.
Waste. Look at all that plastic that's got killed turtles.
And then
What we could have done, salt and vinegar. Vinegar isn't a reusable.
this is coming.
Anyway, thank you for watching my video. Let me know in the comment which one is your favorite British food, and maybe I'll try it next time. So, see ya!